Hello guys, this time we are going to learn greetings in Japanese. Do you want to know how to say good morning, hello, good night, and something else in Japanese and how to use them? You gotta watch this video. おはよう。おはよう means good morning in a casual way.It's used for friends. おはよう。おはようございます。おはようございます means good morning in a formal way. It's also used in business and for boss and older people who are called Sensei. こんにちは。こんにちは means hello. It's really common word, but it's not used between friends. This is the point. It's very common, but not for friends. こんにちは. So instead we say yeah, o, os. They mean hey or hi. It's casual way, so we use these words between friends. こんばんは。こんばんは means good evening. This is same as こんにちは. It's really common word, but not used between friends. おやすみ。おやすみ means good night. It's casual way, used same as good night in English. And おやすみなさい。おやすみなさい means also good night, but it's a polite way. お疲れ様です。お疲れ様です means good job, hello, goodbye. This is the most important phrase in this lesson because when you come to Japan, especially your work, not student, you hear this word お疲れ様です so often. So this word is really often used by workers, not student, mainly used in business, but sometimes used between friends. お疲れ様です。さようなら。さようなら means goodbye. This is not used between friends because it sounds cold and we won't see again for a long time. So instead, between friends, we use じゃあね、またね. They mean see you in a casual way. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. ご視聴ありがとうございます。動画のいいねとチャンネル登録お願いします。じゃあまたね。バイバイ。